Hey everybody, welcome back. I am here to share another Google Chrome extension that I love to use. It is called Temp Mail Disposable Temporary Email. And if you can read here, it is a temporary disposable email address to protect your email from spam, bots, and phishing, and provide a temporary, secure, anonymous, free disposable email address. So why I use this is because I work with a lot of different companies, looking at a lot of different software to suggest for them. And before I suggest the tool for them, I go in and I might do a free trial or demo. And some of these platforms request or require a business email. And I don't want to put in my business email because I don't want the marketing emails to come to me. I just want to look under the hood. So using this extension, once you install it, you will see it up here in your extension bar. And this is what it looks like. It provides a temporary email here, which you can copy or you can change. And once you copy and insert it into a form, and let's say they send a confirmation, like confirm your email thing, you will see this pop up and you click on it and it will take you to the inbox where you can open the email, do your confirmation, whatever. It's not going to your own personal account, right? So I'm going to show you how this works very quickly. So I popped up to this website and I'm just going to fill in this form and then we're going to jump to the end. Okay, I filled in the form using the temporary email found here, temp email address. And now I will create the account. And you can see it, I got in with it. And I click on the extension. Let's see when the email will pop up. Let's go there. All right, this is my email confirmation. Confirm email address, I can click that. And it opens back to the app that now I can play around with. And again, never, ever get the marketing emails to my own personal email address. Now, the one thing that I would say that might not always work right away is that when you click on the inbox, this screen sometimes goes all white. And I'm not sure if that's just my computer or if it happens, but you just refresh it and it'll come back and you can click through. And the other thing that it does sometimes is put its logo in these input fields across different apps. And I'm not sure, I don't have heads or tails about why it does for some and not others, but that just happens sometimes along the way. So anyways, overall, great app to use, saves my inbox a whole bunch of spam and marketing and all of the above. And I hope that it can help you guys too. So remember, check it out on the Google Chrome store. Bye.